Hello, my name is Joshua Lasoji, and this is video assignment 4 for Organic Chemistry 1 with Dr. Yermelina. Now to begin, I was given this molecule right here and this alkyne right here. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm basically going to treat this alkene with catalytic hydrogenation. How catalytic hydrogenation works is basically the hydrogen atoms are going to attach onto this metal. They're going to attach onto this metal, and so they'll be on the surface of the metal. And so when the molecule comes in contact with it, it'll do a syn addition of hydrogens onto the molecule. So that's why now in this next step, we have that the hydrogens are both facing the same direction. The next thing we're going to do is we're basically going to oxidize this alcohol group with PCC and CH2Cl2. That's basically going to turn it into a ketone. Now, the next thing we're going to want to do is we're going to actually want to deprotonate this alkyne with a strong base. We're going to use NaNH2 and NH3 to create an acetylide ion. This acetylide ion will basically act as a strong nucleophile, and it's going to attack this carbon right here, which is going to basically bring down this double bond to the oxygen, putting a negative charge on top of it, which we see right here. And so then now we need to treat it with H3O, which is basically just going to protonate this oxygen to give us back a, an alcohol. And so then now that we have this alkyne basically attached onto this position with an alcohol, the only step we have left is to basically, we notice that we have now 2 carbons attached, and in the final product, we only want to have 1 carbon attached onto that group. And so what we're going to do is we're going to do ozonylysis. We're going to use O3 and H2O. What that's going to do is basically we're going to form a carbon dioxide and a carboxylic group. And this alkyne will basically split right down the middle. 1 carbon will go off to form a carbon dioxide. The carbon that remains right here will form a carboxylic group. And that's exactly what we have in our final answer. So in the end, what happened was an alkene basically had syn addition of hydrogens using catalytic hydrogenation. Our OH group was oxidized using PCC. And then it was attacked by acetylide ion, which was prepared using NaNH2, NH3. And then lastly, we used ozonolysis to create this carboxylic group right here. And yeah, that's it.